Hi everyone, welcome back. Today is Monday the 27th of April and today I'm going to show you how to set tabs in your document. Tabs are helpful if you want to have a particular framework in your document. If you need to have separate sections where text will appear in your document, tabs are useful. They're useful if you're drafting up lists or sets of information that you want to have maybe a few different columns and you want information to appear in the same position on your page. So as you can see here, I have an address here, an address here, and the main body of the letter text is here. So they are at different tab positions. Okay, I'm just going to show you here in this worksheet. I want you to draft up the letter for me first of all and just give it the name letter. And then I'd like you to save a second copy. So go to File and Save as a second copy. And then I'm going to ask you to make some changes to the original document. Okay, but have a read of the worksheet that I'm sending by email. And if you have any questions, just send me an email. If you're unsure before you get started, send me an email and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. Okay, so it's the letter that I'm looking at you drafting for me in today's class. So to show you how to, first of all, view the ruler in your document if your ruler is not currently visible to you. And then I'm going to show you how to set tabs so that you can get on and produce the document for me for homework. Okay, so I'm just going to open up a new document here. So the first thing I want to show you is how you can locate your ruler if your ruler is not visible when you open your new file. Okay, so as you can see at the moment I'm in the Home tab. To locate the ruler, you need to come across to the tab called View. So I'm going to click on View. Okay, so here you can see the word ruler. So what I want to do is I want to just click the box, put a check mark in the box that says ruler, and you should see now that your rulers are visible to you. Okay, there's one across the top of your page and one here at the side of your page. Okay, so the next thing we're going to do is take a look at setting some tabs. So we'll go back to the Home tab for this. Okay, so similarly to the font area, where if you hit the dialog box launch button, you'll see that you can set your tab, set your font, select italics or bold. You can select that and format it, and you can set that as the default for your document. So there may be some additional features in here that you don't see appear on the ribbon, and that's simply because the ribbon is not large enough to hold all of the functions sometimes. So that's why some of them are just hidden in areas in this area here. Okay, so I'll cancel that. The paragraph area works in the same way. So I'm just going to click here. And if you come down here, so this is general settings, indents, spacing, and today we're going to look at setting tabs. So I want you to click on tabs. I'm just going to show you how to access that again. So come to the paragraph area, click your cursor on the dialog box launch button, and then come down here to tabs. Okay, so I'm going to set a tab at 12 centimeters on the ruler because that is where you're going to type your address in your letter. So the first tab stop position we're going to set is at 12. So you come down and click set, and you see it appears in here, and I'm going to click OK. So now you can see that there's a small little L-shaped line or an L-shaped mark, if you like, on the ruler, and that means we now have a tab set to 12. Okay, so to navigate to your tab stop position quickly, use the tab key on your keyboard. So I'm just going to use the tab key and it takes me straight here to my position at number 12. So I'm just going to write an address. So number 1, Chapel Street, tab again, Dundalk, tab again, County Louth. Okay, I then want to set a tab at position 4 to write the main body of the letter. So I will just write Dear Sir. Okay, and I'll come down here. So now I want to set a tab at 4 because I want to start the text for the letter there. So I'll click again, I'll come to tabs, and this time I'm going to say I want a tab set at 4 centimeters on the ruler. I click set, click OK, use my tab key, and I'm here ready to start my letter. So I am writing to you to, so you're going to type the rest of the text for the letter in there. Okay. You can set tabs in another way, which I find easier, but I want to show you both ways because I want you to be able to manage this whichever way you're most comfortable with. So I'm just going to go and take these tabs that I've set off of the ruler. So I'm going to say clear all and click OK. So now, as you can see, our little markers have disappeared from the number 4 and from the number 12. So this time for this example, I'm going to set a tab at 2. So I'm just going to bring my cursor up to the number 2 on the ruler and click there. I'm going to set a tab at number 4. So again, I'm going to bring my cursor to the ruler and click there. And I'll set a tab at the number 6 on the ruler. So again, bring my cursor to the number 6 and click there. Okay, so I'm going to just use my tab key, which should bring me to the number 2. So I'm just going to write the number 2 there. My next tab stop position is number 4. My next tab stop position is the number 6. I'll just show you that again. So my first tab stop position on the ruler is number 2. I'm just typing a 2. The next tab stop position is number 4, so I'm just typing 4. And the next tab stop position is 6. Okay, so another way to quickly remove the tabs that you've set on your ruler, if you don't want to go back in like I did before, so I can say clear or clear all and say OK. You can also just click on the marker on the ruler and drag it off the ruler. Okay, so you can click and drag it off the ruler, click and drag it off the ruler. So I want you to try and perhaps maybe try or practice using both methods and see which one is going to suit you best. Okay, so just give that a try for today. I'll send you on the worksheets. Let me know if you have any trouble or any problems or any questions, and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. I hope the video is helpful, and I hope I'll talk to you soon. Okay, bye-bye.